Welcome back to the Knowledge Panel. Today, we're tackling a common problem: lizards sneaking into your home. If you want to get rid of them naturally, without harsh chemicals or traps, you're in the right place. I'll show you 13 proven all-natural remedies using things you probably already have at home. Plus, there's a bonus tip at the end you won't want to miss. Ready to reclaim your space? Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's get started. First up, essential oils. Lizards hate strong scents like peppermint, eucalyptus, and camphor. Mix 15-20 drops of your chosen oil with water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray around windows, doors, vents, and corners. This creates a fragrant barrier lizards won't cross. Reapply every few days or after cleaning to keep the scent strong. It's safe, non-toxic, and leaves your home smelling amazing. A simple, effective start to your lizard-proofing journey. Next, grab garlic and onion. Kitchen staples lizards can't stand. Place peeled garlic cloves or onion slices at entry points like cracks, vents, and underdoors. For wider coverage, blend garlic and onion with water, strain, and spray the juice in lizard-prone areas. Replace fresh pieces every few days and make a new spray batch weekly. It's cost-effective, chemical-free, and uses what you already have. Nature's pest control right from your pantry. Simple and powerful. Here's a clever trick: eggshells. Lizards see them as a sign of predators and stay away. Wipe eggshells clean but keep a bit of scent, then place them in lizard hotspots, behind furniture, near windows, or in corners. You can also use them outside to create a perimeter. Replace every few weeks to keep them effective. It's harmless, biodegradable, and totally free. Outsmart lizards with this simple psychological barrier. Try it and see the difference. For serious infestations, here's a stronger method: coffee and tobacco balls. Mix wet coffee grounds with loose tobacco, roll into small balls and place them on toothpicks. Set these traps in lizard hotspots but keep them far from kids and pets. This method is lethal. The coffee attracts lizards, the tobacco is toxic. Use only if other remedies fail, and always prioritize safety. Handle with care and use as a last resort. For most homes, stick to non-lethal options. Safety first. Spice things up with chili cayenne or black pepper. Mix 2 tablespoons of pepper powder with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray in lizard-prone areas, under stoves, behind fridges, along baseboards. Wear gloves and avoid inhaling the spray. It's an irritant for everyone. Reapply every few days for best results. This spicy barrier keeps lizards far away. A hot solution for a cool home. Use with caution. Citrus peels, lemons, limes, oranges are natural lizard repellents. Place fresh peels on windowsills, counters, and behind appliances. For a spray, mix lemon or lime juice with water and spritz surfaces. Replace peels and refresh spray every few days for maximum effect. It's non-toxic, smells great, and doubles as a cleaner. Fresh, simple, and effective. Give your home a citrusy shield. Spot a lizard inside? Use the cold water shock. Keep a spray bottle of ice-cold water handy. Spray the lizard directly. This slows it down, making it easy to catch. Gently scoop it up and release it outside. It's humane, quick, and mess-free. No harm, no chemicals, just a safe escort out. Perfect for surprise encounters. Try peacock feathers, beautiful and effective. Lizards instinctively fear the eye pattern, thinking a predator is near. Place feathers in vases or near entry points as decor and deterrent. No maintenance, no smell, just passive protection. Add elegance while keeping lizards away. Functional art for your home, simple and stylish. Naphthalene balls, mothballs, are powerful but toxic. Only use them in inaccessible, well-ventilated areas, never where kids or pets can reach. Place a few in deep closets, attics, or wall cavities. The strong smell repels lizards, but safety comes first. Use as a last resort for severe infestations. Always follow safety instructions and prioritize your family's health. Safer natural remedies are usually best. White vinegar is a fantastic lizard repellent and cleaner. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Add lemon juice or peppermint oil for extra power. Spray on counters, floors, and entry points, especially where you've seen lizards. The scent fades for us but lingers for lizards. Clean and protect your home in one step. Easy, cheap, and effective. Cleanliness is key. Lizards come for food, water, and shelter. Wipe up spills, store food in airtight containers, and don't leave dirty dishes out. Fix leaks and remove standing water, including pet bowls and drip trays. Sweep, mop, and vacuum regularly, especially hidden spots. A tidy home means fewer insects and fewer lizards. Make your space uninviting for pests. Consistency keeps lizards away for good. Prevention is powerful. Seal every entry point. Inspect your home for cracks, gaps, and worn weather stripping. Use caulk for small gaps, foam or plaster for larger holes, and mesh screens for vents. Replace old weather stripping and check utility entry points. This physical barrier stops lizards and other pests. Combine sealing with scent repellents for total protection. A little effort now saves you trouble later. Fortify your home. Declutter to eliminate lizard hiding spots. Remove piles of papers, boxes, and unused items, especially in garages, attics, and closets. Store what you keep in sealed plastic bins, not cardboard. Keep floors and walls clear, and tidy up your yard. Trim bushes and remove debris. Fewer hiding places mean fewer lizards. A clean, open space is your best defense. Make your home unwelcoming to pests. That's it. 13 natural remedies plus bonus tips for a lizard-free home. From essential oils to eggshells, you now have a full toolkit. Stay consistent, choose what works for you, and enjoy a peaceful, pest-free space. Which remedy will you try first? Share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay natural, stay awesome, and see you next time. Bye.